What's going on, guys? Zeno back with another video, and today I'm gonna be fighting Vachillies versus Drahken. I didn't want to do this video, but at the same time I thought maybe Vachillies will do a good job. Who knows? Maybe Drahken will actually dominate it. But let's see. So let's get started. Alright. Battle 1. Go shoot. Go shoot. Vachillies is in. Drahken. Ooh, really hard hits. I'll say Drahken won that. Alright. Okay. Round 2. Go shoot. Go shoot. Okay, and with the driver it comes out. Really nice hits coming from Vachillies. Drahken's smash attack is doing it really well, and point to Drahken. Alright. Next round. Go shoot. And got stuck. Oh, and it's the first to 5 points. So since I'm never gonna burst, it's gonna take a while. So let's see. Go shoot. Go shoot. There we go. And instant KO. I guess someone's still salty from what Fenrir kept doing. Alright. What was that? Third? Yeah, I think that was third. Okay, 4th round. Go shoot. Vachillies is more heavy. Oh, landing on top of it. But got KO'd again. I think it's because Vachillies is more lighter, so it's gonna get knocked around. Okay, final round. Go. Go. Vachillies is going around. Dragon taking the center. Vachillies is coming in for the attack, and oh, guys, first win. That was Vachillies. Okay. Next round. It is 4-1. Oh, shoot. And Vachillies. There we go. Vachillies going around. It's coming in for the attack. Drahken's stronger attacks is doing some nice damage, but couldn't last. Vachillies takes it. There's 2-4. Next round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Vachillies is going. It was almost about to get knocked out, but it came back in right in time with the driver. Vachillies is hitting it not really very hard, but I saw Drahken stop fitting. I saw Drahken stop first, so I'll get that to Vachillies. So it's 3-4. Drahken was about to win. Vachillies was like, nope. Okay, next. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. Oh, and got stuck. If you're gonna go win Vachillies, at least get off the launcher. Go shoot. Oh. Really hard hits. Well, I say really, really hard. Like, okay. Vachillies won that. So, it is 3-4, I think. Vachillies is catching up. Vachillies is back in. So really, really. Ooh. Come on. And Drahken's got taken down by Vachillies. So it's tied with 4-4. I did not expect this to happen. So 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Will it be Drahken who wins or Vachillies? Vachillies around with the speed. It's coming in for the attacks. Drahken is holding on. Drahken is losing. And the winner is Drahken. Vachillies got up to 4 but couldn't finish it. Oh, that was so cool. I like how Drahken was about to win, but then Vachillies came in and started beating it to the tiebreaker, but then lost. But that was so cool. So I'm going to do one more battle, but I'm going to switch their parts. So I will be right back for that. I am back with the final battle, so it's Drahken and Vachillies, but with each other's parts. So let's see how well the battle goes. I'm going to do 2 rounds just with this. So 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. Drahken doing some nice hits. And they knock each other out, so that was a tie. Go shoot. Drahken bouncing around. Ooh, some heavy hits from Drahken. And Vachillies lost that. So final round. Didn't think it was gonna be 3 rounds, but it's 3 rounds. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Vachillies is in. Drahken with 1 point. Ooh. And Vachillies takes that with a knockout. So it's a tie. Okay, final round. Vachillies is in. Taking the center. Drahken's going around. Hard hits, and Vachillies has won. So if I had to pick Vachillies and my Drahken, I mean, I would use Drahken, of course, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and make Drahken with this with the updated system that I have made, and yeah, so Drahken will be getting a slight upgrade, but not really. So overall, Drahken won the first round. Vachillies won the second round. It was an amazing battle, and they are both very, very strong. Yeah, so this will be the end of that. Like and subscribe, and I hope you have a nice day. Vachillies, I mean, I was planning on putting Vachillies up for grabs or Thingiverse, or probably sell it, but I don't know. With this design, I don't think anyone will want it. But I guess I'll just end the video there. Again, like and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.